Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Wonderchef Nutri Blend Complete Kitchen Machine. So this is a complete kitchen kit from Wonderchef. This comes with a 22,000 RPM motor, and you can use this particular kit as a mixer, a grinder, a blender, a juicer and a chopper. Furthermore, this particular kit comes with a 2-year warranty, and it's also India's most admired brand. Do we have... That's more or less all the information we have here. Mostly, okay, we have some interesting information here. Okay, we have a big mixer jar, a blending jar, a dry grinding jar, a chutney jar, chopper, juicer attachment, pusher, wet blending blade for tall jar and mixer jar, dry grinding and chutney blade for short jar, a cover lid and a seasoning cap as well. So a lot of elements, a lot of components. Let's open this box and take a look at each of them. So first off, we have a user manual. There you can see this is the user manual. It has Sanjeev Kapoor's seal of confidence on it. There is a warranty card as well. Okay. There's also a product information brochure that you can check it out at your own convenience. So this is a recipe book from Sanjeev Kapoor. This is a nice addition. So if you are into a lot of different cuisine that Sanjeev Kapoor is in, so you can totally use this one. I'll leave this over here. Now these are the actual components of this particular kitchen set, the Nutri Blend CKN complete kitchen machine. So this is the 22,000 RPM motor that does all the different work. So you can see this is the motor right over here. So it said do not remove, so I'm not going to do that. It has a nice design on top and has 4 pretty large anti-skid rubber stops underneath, so that making sure it's very stable. You can do blending and grinding both in with this particular device. This is the grinding jar. There you can see it has grind written on it. This is your grinding jar. And what are the other things that we have? This is your blending jar. It comes with the blending blades over here. There you can see these are your blending blades. I'm going to keep this over here. This is the big mixer jar. This has some extra components inside. Let me show them to you. This is a juicer, and this is the pusher that comes with it. So they are all part of this particular unit. I'm going to put them back. And finally, we have the chopper. I'm going to open this first. How do you open it? There you go. Just twist and turn. So this is the chopper, and this is the chopper blade attachment. You must be very careful. These are very sharp blades. There, you can see now. There, you can see the blade. It's pretty sharp. I'm going to put this back. Okay, there's one more thing that I missed out, which is this. This is a seasoning cap that comes with this particular unit, this particular kit. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Wonderchef Nutri Blend Complete Kitchen Machine. Thank you for watching.